Hello, everyone.
Hi
Welcome to
everyone.
Edge.
Good morning and good to see you. Okay, today we are gonna have a space CMA with Linity, and we are gonna talk about the potentially or how to maximize your chance to get involved in the free token. Maybe everyone called about the airdrop. Okay, so I think it's a very good tips. Even and during this bear market, a lot of chance to make money in the crypto space. So we are going to talk about this with Lenity. And hello, can you introduce yourself first to our audience?
Yeah, for sure. Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. My name is So Lazy. I'm a crypto analyst at Linity. And basically, what is Linity? We are a platform, and we write about potential project about projects that will do an airdrop. So we curate the project, we try to explain you what they are doing, who is the team, if they received fundings, and then we create step-by-step guides for you guys to do all the steps needed to increase your chances to get an airdrop.
Okay. So your name is So Lazy, so you can call me Pep because my name is Pebri. And I understood your
How?
I interested it's your
Pepe?
it is your real name or yeah, you can call me Pep. It is your real name, so lazy or
Okay.
just alias.
Yeah, my real name is Sofian.
Okay. I understand.
Yeah.
Maybe you use the alias of so lazy, and it is happened to my friend. It is just a short story, and they airdrop hunter, but they are very lazy to complete the quest of every new airdrop because they think a lot of airdrop they participate, but not all turn to the money because that's they so lazy to do other tasks or join a new iDrop. So uh, before we are going to talk about the iDrop, I want to
Mm,
a bit conversation with you. I want to talk about the current market condition. There is nothing a lot
yes.
activity that we can do if you're gonna trade during this bear market. It's hard. Even like sometime we predict the price we're gonna up, but it's wrong. So we can get liquidated because I think 90% of trader right now is trade for futures trade or derivative. So uh, I think not all people or trader try to join to the iDrop, but what do you think about that? What do you think about the current market and iDrop is one of
Okay. What do you think
yeah
about the current market? First of all, you said
yeah
something really true. You said that traders often get wrecked, and I don't know if you noticed yesterday when the market was pumping as crazy. There was a lot of people putting longs, mostly on derivative platforms, per platform, and there was this big candle going to 38K for the Bitcoin. And then right after, there was a dump through 36,000. So a lot of people got wrecked at this moment. The main thing I could tell to people is to avoid those kind of trade, even if it looks juicy, even if it looks like having free money or quick money. Most of the time we're in crypto, markets are often manipulated. And yesterday, I won't say that it was manipulated, but it was quite weird to see this big pump and then this retracement. So be careful with trading. But regarding market condition, this is awesome. Yesterday we had some big news, the Ethereum ETF. So that's one of the reasons that the market pumped. We are also entering the window where the SEC needs to pronounce themselves about the ETF, the Bitcoin ETF. So I think people are getting euphoric here. What do you think about it?
yeah. I'm agree with you that I joined this crypto space since 2017 after I
Okay.
finished my high school. So I'm at the beginning. I'm play Airdrop for sure. I don't understand about the trading, how the chart, how to read the chart, what's the indicator. But I only start with the Airdrop, and to be honest, I'm start in the crypto space with the zero money, and I just earn money from the Airdrop. So that's why
Okay.
I will respect to every project that on that share. It's very legit for the Airdrop, you know. So I think if I'm trading, I think I'm not on that position because it's hard to control your emotion during your trade. Like
Mm.
even I see the market is turn in the bull run or at plus you said despite to 38,000, but you know everyone want to make big profit and they want to hide the leverage. That's the problem. That's the problem. So I think during this market condition, we need to take calm, and manipulation is very happen at the moment, even in the big market or a low cap market. It's happened. So stay away from that if you don't want your asset is lost. So and
I
lazy,
speak
I
truth.
yeah, lazy. I'm sharing the tweet. I sharing the tweet that from the Linity. It's about the stock net airdrop. So I want to
Yeah.
talk about the airdrop at the moment. What's about the Linity itself and what makes this platform special for especially for the airdrop people.
Okay. So to explain it in a nutshell, basically, we understood that a lot of people were playing the game of crypto, as you said, just trading. So they were holding crypto in a centralized exchange wallet, and they were trying to buy some cryptos and try to get some profits, but they would never actually interact with dApps. They would never actually go into, I would say, the closed world of DeFi because a lot of people own crypto, but not that much knows how to set up their MetaMask, how to interact with the basic projects. So, and at the time when Linity started, it was kind of the airdrop season. It was in March 2023. So just right when the Arbitrum airdrop happened, it was a good event. I loved it personally. And people started to talk a lot about airdrop, about Zcasing, Starknet, etc. But it was quite hard to find the proper documentation for people who are not really into crypto and even people into crypto, DeFi, etc. to do the task. So what we think was that we could create that platform that will gather the opportunities, whether it's testnet or whether it's retrodrop opportunity. For those who don't know, retrodrop is basically when the dApp or the blockchain is in mainnet. So it's live and it incurs the actual spending of monies. So our goal with that platform was to create that place people could go, find information about the project, reassure themselves because we're not gonna lie, crypto there are a lot of scams, there are a lot of malicious actors. So we wanted also to provide that a review, an assessment of the risk, and then if possible, all the steps that the project would create. So different interaction with different protocols, how to use their dApp, and for people to maximize their chances to get an airdrop.
Okay, so that's your platform works. I think it's one step forward from the oldest iDrop way we can find where we can find the iDrop and where is the legit iDrop. So we're not wasting our time again to complete the maybe you know a lot of scam project doing iDrop to get or gain community and then they can show off that we have a lot community from our iDrop campaign so they can get money and they can run. So with your platform, I think it's will be more perfect for iDrop hunter. So talk about the
Okay.
Linity. Talk about the Linity. Lazy, I want to know that when this Linity founded and what makes you inspired to create this platform and the idea behind it, because I think it's a good platform so far in the airdrop. I see.
Thank you. Thank you
My
very much.
pleasure. My
I
pleasure.
really appreciate your kind words. Okay, on my side, I started to work for Linity on November 2022. At the beginning, the goal was to work on a launchpad, but quickly they understood that there was more. There was an interesting market, basically, to educate and to show people about those airdrops. So I would say that Linity, as we know it there, started around like January, February 2023. At the beginning, we didn't have any platform. It was just a Discord server and a couple of analysts like me reviewing some project, doing our research, trying out those projects and trying to understand what was the missions, what were like the steps to increase your chances to get an airdrop. And then in May/June, we launched our private beta. So we already had our community members who are still there. If they are in the audience, I say hello to you guys. So we started to build with them, kind of. We were asking them advices, feedback about what they thought about the private beta, how we could improve it, and basically how to make it better for a regular user, whether you are into crypto and you know the basics and even more, or if you are a total random person and you don't know at all about crypto, you never even own Bitcoin and you just want to trade out. So that was kind of our goal: fit those two audience and make them able basically to play into the airdrop game.
Okay, so that's your idea behind creating of the Linity, and I think it's your platform can be created by the 1% or 2%. How many team members do you have, and do they have enough experience in the blockchain field, or only just the early people? And if they have experience in the crypto, please tell us about your story.
When you say members, you say community members or members in the team?
Yeah, in the team members.
Okay. Okay. Currently, I think we have a dozen team members. So the team is split in 3 departments. We have the Web3 department. So I'm part of the Web3 department. Basically, it's analysts doing research about projects, trying to find opportunities, and then writing about them and doing the step-by-step guides. We have the marketing department. I'm also part of them. So I'm basically, they are on social media. They are trying to build, trying to work with questing platform, with influencers, etc., to let everyone know about Linity. And then we have the product and dev team, who is like analyzing feedbacks, trying to understand what could fit best to the users and build the product. In terms of experience, most of the team is from Web3. We also have people from a Web2 background. Sorry. So the whole Web3 team is from Web3 and Web3 native. In marketing, I would say that it's split. There are some people from Web2 marketing and some people from Web3 marketing. And on the product and dev, also it's split. So we have Web2 people and Web3 people. The interesting thing with that is that, I don't know, I will take my example. I only worked in Web3 in my life. I did some internship, but that wasn't like a huge experience. And all I know is about Web3. And it's nice to have someone who maybe doesn't have this experience and can see things from another point of view. So yeah, we are dozens of people split in 3 teams.
Okay, so I'm agree with you that we can split the Web2 people and the Web3 people, because Web3 still need the Web2 user base, or the experience on that field. Okay, so because in the Web3 does not mean delete or disappear all Web2 people, but it's need to bring from the Web2 to the Web3. So we still need them. And with this, I think it's awesome. And I want to ask you, where you come from? I forget to ask that.
Okay, I'm from France. Originally, my parents are from Algeria and Morocco. And if you were asking about crypto, I started in 2019. So I was still a student at that time. I had an opportunity to do an internship with a crypto company with one of my teachers back in the time when I was studying in China. And then this guy founded his company. Basically was helping projects to launch their token. So building their community, dealing with Launchpad, dealing with investors. And he asked me if I wanted to work with him. So I said yes, because I couldn't picture myself in a regular 9-to-5 job. I did that before the beginning of the bull market, during the bull market, and a little bit after the end of the bull market, so during the bear market. And then I continued my experience at Linity. What about you? Where are you from?
Okay, thank you for asking me. I'm from Indonesia.
Nice.
And
Okay.
yeah, it's a
Where
big
in
country.
Indonesia?
Yeah, it's a big country. A lot of people here. 250 million people is here. So it is a good target or a big market for a crypto at the moment. And
Yep.
I know with some guys targeting Indonesia at right now to be the central of the Asia for the crypto. And maybe you heard in the Bali a lot of event of the
Yeah.
crypto on there. So I think it is important that Asia still have a good role. Okay, and
I'd
talk
love
about
to.
yeah,
I'd love to
yeah,
come live like in either Indonesia or Malaysia. Those are the two countries in Asia I'd love to live in.
yeah. We can talk that many people outside Indonesia want to live in Bali.
Not necessarily in Bali. Like Jakarta could be great also, because Bali is kind of like crowded with people looking for the best life with seas and beach, etc. But I want to go talk with people. Like I don't want to meet a bunch of people that are like from Europe, etc. Even if it's cool, I want to meet people from Indonesia.
I'm in Bandung. Bandung is a close city with Jakarta. Only
Okay.
30 minutes right now with the train. 30 minutes we can go to the Jakarta, and I love to see you when you come to the Jakarta.
Definitely, I will tell you.
Okay.
Whoa, that's nice.
And Lizzie, I want to before I talk again about the Airdrop and the Linity platform, I want to talk and ask you. You said you joined to the crypto is 2019.
Yep.
What makes you like? I think this crypto industry will be have a good future. What is in your mind that you make sure that you will be 100% the Web3 in the Web3 field?
I'm gonna give there are several reasons. I think the first one is the dumbest one, but it's also the one I love the most, is the community.
The community.
I've been hanging out in crypto Twitter, in Telegram, in Discord with a lot of people, and I love this community. I love the Web3 community. People are open-minded. People are crazy as well. I don't know. I feel my life would be so boring without all these people. So that's the first thing. Second thing is that I truly believe that Web3 and crypto will embrace the whole world and the whole industries, because transactions are kind of here for every industry, and crypto is just a better way to do it, a faster way to do it. Right now, maybe not a more secure way to do it with all the hacks, but I believe that in the future, we'll manage to, developers, because I'm not a developer, but developers will manage to build like stronger product, and it will affect the whole economy. So during the bear market, it was kind of hard because a lot of people left, and there was also this transition of people from artificial intelligence, from crypto to artificial intelligence. So there was less people, but there were builders. There were people that were truly committed to the crypto world. I've met a lot of interesting people, fascinating people. So I'm super happy that I've been there during this bear market. And even if we were in bear market, there were still a lot of innovations. Like I don't know, in DeFi there was the whole bundle story, and the fact that we moved from a proof of work to proof of stake with Ethereum. There was the whole meme coin season. There was the USDC DPEG. There was a lot of things happening. So even if it was tough, like I didn't feel it like a real bear market because a lot of things were happening. So I like how there is always something to do, always something to know about in crypto. That's also one of the things that make me think that I want to stay in Web3 for my whole career.
Okay, that's a good answer. I love your answer. The first answer, that's community that makes you sure to join to the Web3 industry, because it is important. Community is important in this crypto role. Without community, project can be run. Without community, we can do anything. Okay, so it is. I think it's a good question because a lot in the crypto, it is a lot of in the crypto space, paid platform, right? If we want to using some platform, for example, for advanced trading platform or advanced trading analyst, we need to pay for the paid signal, like VIP signal. We need to pay some of dollar to get their access to their signal with not good a percentage of success, because I know that it's just I can say it's dumb-based people. So if join to VIP trading, because it's not good for them. So I want to ask you. Your platform, it is free or charged? And because you said about the community, I think your platform should be free. And if it's free, how people use it?
Sorry, I didn't answer. I didn't understand the question at the end. If it's free?
Yeah, I think your platform is free. Like
yes.
For the informational whole thing on your platform, it is free.
Yep. Yeah, okay. You can use it right now. You can go on the website, try to do the step-by-step guide. So right now, I don't think the team has a plan to make it that make people pay for it. So it's completely free. You can go in there, find the information about projects, find information about the task to do. And I just wanted to come back to what you said about those trading groups that were paying group. Yeah. This is something that killed me in crypto, because basically those people are selling signals. And this is killing me because people could do like the same just by spending a little bit more of time doing their research. Most of the time when a coin pump, it's because the news is coming and people knew in the community. Most of the time, if a coin pump, is because like the narrative is starting to be overpresent within the crypto community. So, for example, if it's AI, then you will see AI coin pump. You will see if it's GameFi, you will see GameFi coin pump. So I don't really understand why people would pay for these like trading tips. I would say trading signals. Sorry. So be careful. Also, most of the time, those people don't really know more than you. So I say you would rather like do your research and find some free alternative. You will end up like more knowledgeable. You will end up like having your own thoughts and your own position, and not just following an influencer that will most likely dump on you. So be careful about that.
Yeah, I'm agree with that, because I in the past I tried to join some signal paid signal. It is expensive, and when I joined, it's like what I can do. So there is nothing different. Even it's I think it's good time, like you said, spend more time to do some our own research, so we can
Yeah.
know what the trend and what is the opportunity for the trading. So back to the platform that you have in November, you just giving away $2,000 to the community members. Is
Yeah, we
it is
distributed a lot of
community
rewards.
it is the community contest, and will you have the another one or what?
Another contest, you mean?
Yeah, the contest, because you just finished
Right now, there are
2000.
3 that are open. 3 more will open in the near future. And I also know that the team, and more specifically like the marketing part of the team, is working on some sort of big event where we will distribute more prizes and more rewards. So stay tuned. I can't say anything because otherwise he will be pissed at me. I think he's listening to me right now. But like it will be kind of fun. We're trying to gather a lot of like partners for this event, gamified event or game. I think you guys will like it, but I can't say more about it. But right now, 3 are ongoing, and there will be there will be 3 more in the next part of the month.
Okay, so
Yep.
it's still ongoing, right?
Yep.
Okay. I check on your retro drop guide on the
Hmm?
base. You have verified badge from the Linity, right? Okay.
Uh,
You have to verify by badge for your retro drop that I share on the space. So my question is, if the project have rating, how you verify this project will be a good in or depend on your rating, like how you verify them in what aspect?
hold on, let me look at what you posted. You said verified, right?
Yeah. You share like for Stacknet is step by step guide verified by Linity. So how you
Okay,
verified them?
okay. So that's basically part of how we
This space was downloaded via spacesdown.com. Visit to download your spaces today.
curate a project. So our goal is to understand first who are the person building this project. Do they have money to build the project or not? Do they have the competencies also? Like, so we are looking at who are these people? What did they do before? Are they related to the Web3 world or not? If not, what kind of experience do they have? And then we look more at the project. So you will see on Linity that there are 2 pages often for the project. There is the project page, and the opportunity page. So the opportunity page is more focused on the opportunity itself. Is there a chance that there will be an airdrop for this project? What makes us think that the airdrop there is a strong possibility of an airdrop or not? While when you go to the project page, it's more focused on the project itself. So we're going to try to understand if the project is sustainable, if what they are doing can work right now in the Web3 world, or it will have a real application if more people come. So this is the case, for example, for SocialFi. We also try to understand the risk of the project. So the risks for the opportunity are all the risks that makes the airdrop less plausible. When for the opportunity page, it's more the risk of the project itself. So, for example, right now for DeFi, it's kind of complicated to build because what you're building can be subject to future regulation that can kill your product. We try to assess those kind of risks. So this is how we come up with our rating, and we say that it's verified by Linity. We do our research about those projects, we do our research about those opportunities, and we try to understand if they are worth doing them or not. I don't know if it answers your question.
I think it is answering my question. So because there is a lot of detail on there. So I want to ask you another question.
For sure.
it is about still in the crypto industry because a lot of people like airdrop and they become airdrop hunters or maybe farmers and maybe people who active researching like you said before to earn some money even they trader or maybe they want to know the early projects
Mhm.
so they can have the information because I think in this industry or in this space information or if we can get the early information we can have chance to get money even it's airdrop or
You say
trading
truth. You say
and
very, very much truth.
yeah and they do you have them somehow with your product
Do we have somehow
yeah do you have them somehow with your product that you built with as a Linity because a lot of
the information about the project? You mean?
yeah
Okay, okay. Yeah, we added a feed section to our platform. So basically, when you go on the website, the homepage, you will see there is a feed about the latest project we added to the platform and the latest news, latest opportunities about the project on the platform. Our goal is to find them when they are out. The way we do it, we have a process. Every morning we start our day. So on the team we are like four. So one is taking retro drop opportunities, one is taking testnet, one is taking NFTs, and one is fighting for fast opportunities. Basically, for example, Lucky Draw, latest quest on Galaxy, on Tascon, etc. To earn money from there. So every morning we look through all the projects, we look for the latest news, what they tweeted about, if there are interesting stuff to know about the project, and then we add them to the platform. So that's a way for us and for our community to always be up to date with what's happening with their favorite projects.
okay so that's your way to help the people in this space to maximum their way okay or they change to get
Yep.
money so and talk about the airdrop
Sorry, what?
yeah you can go ahead you first.
Yeah, so we do that, but we also know that airdrop is like a consistency game. Sorry, so we know that doing one time your step by step is not enough. So what we also do is that every week we have a farm with fam call on our Discord, and every week we pick a project, so either testnet or retro drop, and we do it with the community. We do the steps, we do the new steps, and we try to farm together. So that way they are always doing it and they are increasing, like, for example, their transaction count, their volume on the platform or on the blockchain. Because if you do it once, that won't be enough. You need to be consistent. You need to do it several times to do the new tasks, the new opportunities. And we try to show that and make the people do it several times with those calls, with the news about the project, etc.
Okay and Lazy I have this I have question but I have answer too for my question but
Okay.
I want to hear your from your opinion from your answer like my
Okay.
question maybe it's question is from all people for a newcomer like can you tell us about what is airdrop and what is about the airdrop because it's more question for the new people for sure and why this happen like why this project doing the airdrop.
Okay, this is a very good question. I think that's like the very first one we should ask to the newcomers and answer for the newcomers. Okay, basically an airdrop is some kind of reward you give to your early users because they were there at the beginning. They supported your project. They tried it. They tried the beta, the testnet. They tried it. They supported when you launched it, and that's a way to reward you. Now, if we look at in a more economic way, you can see it that way. Imagine that you're building a social app. So you want to build a competitor of TikTok. The thing is, you are less likely to succeed because one of the power of TikTok is that they have a big community, a strong community. There are millions and even billions of people using TikTok, and they are feeding TikTok with first pushing content, secondly using the app and liking and commenting the content. So it's hard for you to compete with TikTok because the whole network is based on this app. A way for you to attract those users is to provide them some kind of like reward to make them come on your platform when not everyone is here. So you're starting to build your early user base, promising this airdrop, and then you try to make your network grow and grow and grow. At a certain point, the advantage of being on your platform will reach the same level than being on TikTok. And that's when you release your airdrop and you continue building. That's how I would explain it in a more complicated way. In a more easy way, it's a way for you to reward your early users and thanks them for being there and share with them part of the value they have contributed to. What do you think about this one? How would you explain it?
Yeah, if my friend asked me like, where do you get the money? I answer and I'm to be confused like, hey, I got free money from the internet. It's called Airdrop. So they ask about what is Airdrop. I can explain like this. You know like because in Indonesia a lot of public figure like artists doing giveaway, right? Doing giveaway like they give away some money, but the rules like they need to follow the artist's profile, or they need to do comment, or they need to join or download some application. So I
Okay.
just explain to them like it is similar like the giveaway. Like normally you know about the giveaway, but it is different word. It is different word in the crypto. It's called iDrop, but it is more good impact between for the project or for you. For the project, they can gain for example, if the task follow their social media, they get followers, they get engagement, they get views.
Mhm.
But for you, I said to her, for you, you can get like if the task people should try the apps or maybe to try their platform. So you can learn what is crypto because it is your way. Because a lot of people are lazy to learn, right? But if they say
Yep.
if you learn or try our platform, you will get reward. So they will be more like energetic to learn. So that's will be benefit both of you. So that's why I explain to my friend or to my family if asking about iDrop because I will not if they ask what is crypto, I will not say crypto is trading because it's hard to understand about the trading.
Yeah, definitely. Like people are looking for some how do we say things they can apply immediately. And
Yeah.
I think airdrop is a good way to onboard them because you're basically telling them, okay, use this app and you might receive free money. So there will be, oh, damn, okay, I'm going to try it. And as you said, that's a way for them to learn, to understand what they're doing. And right now, what I'm seeing with the recent activities I'm adding to the platform is that most of the time when there is a new activity, the project take the time to write a nice Medium post and a Twitter thread. They explain why they are doing this activity, what are the must know for the people doing it, etc. So definitely that's a good way to educate people about crypto.
Yeah, because if we talk them or explain them about the trading, it's hard. It's hard because they don't know what is trade, how even if stock market trading is they don't know how about the crypto. So we
Yeah.
it's still easy to explain about the iDrop because it's a lot of activities similar to that.
Yeah, there are a lot of
Okay.
activities.
Yeah. And Lizzie, I want to ask with the Linity back. Okay, I want to
Okay.
ask the goal of Linity that's maybe offer. Like the goal of Linity is to offer detailed instruction for taking part in airdrops. For example, that I share in the space, guide a potential airdrop from a base or from the stacknet. So, are there any intention to broaden the scope of these learning tools to include other topics in the crypto space, such as blockchain development, GameFi, or DeFi?
Okay. I love your question. The goal of Linity is to educate and to make people benefit from these opportunities, those airdrop opportunities. We are also doing NFTs, but right now we are focused on like low risk activities because it's the bear market. I don't know if I have to say it was the bear market or it is the bear market. Like right now the market is confusing, so let's be optimistic and say it was the bear market. Okay. There was the bear market. People didn't want to like risk their funds, so that's why we focused on airdrop. Now, according to how we evolve in terms of market condition, we are interested in like doing more stuff on the Linity platform. I guess that the next step will be like launchpad related stuff. So, for example, we could review launchpads, upcoming launches, and tell our community about it. Say, okay, this project looks interesting, looks like they are building an actual product. We are also interested in GameFi and in NFT and GameFi. I'm seeing that you posted like the thread about GameFi. It was 2 weeks ago, I think. We had this Twitter space with Legendao NFT, Undead Blocks, Aqua Farm, and Gem Club. Yep, Gem Club. Honestly, it was an amazing Twitter space because those guys are full of knowledge in terms of GameFi, in terms of crypto in general. So we talked a lot about the GameFi market, how it was like during the previous bull market, and where GameFi projects are going right now. Definitely, we're interested in it. We added an opportunity on our platform. It's the Forgotten Universe. So it's an NFT project initially, and they launched their game like yesterday or 2 days ago. So we did kind of like the step by step to access the game, and we might continue with what to do in the game. This is super interesting. I'm looking forward to see how it goes. Plus, GameFi will be a big trend, I believe, in the next bull market. And more NFT projects are looking to launch their game. So definitely we're interested into talking about other stuff than airdrop. But right now we feel that we need to focus on low risk activities and then move on to more risky activities, but explain to people why they are risky and explain them the risk. Because this is one of the main points in crypto. People treat it as a gambling platform. They just want to have quick gains, big gains, as you said at the beginning, but they don't realize the risk behind their actions.
Okay, 100% agree with you that GameFi will be the big trend in the future because who does not want to play game? Who does not love to play game, even it's phone based application, phone based game,
Yep.
Windows or console. And with the latest rumor that new Grand Theft Auto or GTA 6 will be launched, with the rumor will be crypto integrated on that game. I think it will be huge if it's happen.
If it happens, it will be huge.
This will be huge, the impact.
But it can also be a total mess.
What is mess?
Because it's tough to build a game with crypto powering it. Like nobody managed to do it so far, except if you have an example. But I don't know any games right now that is crypto powered and that is working super well. No, I'm lying. There might be Sora, for example. But this is totally different from GTA 6. Like GTA 6 is supposed to be an open world with potentially like multiplayer capabilities, and that's adding one step of complexity to an already complex game. Like the team took 10 years to give us some trailer. So I don't know. I'm looking forward to see what happens.
Yeah, yeah, because if this integrated, it will be a big because
Massive.
it's massive big because it is big. It's the long term of development of the game too,
Mm.
and I can imagine that if that happen, maybe I can trading in the game, but it's with the real assets. Like for example, in the GTA 6, we can access to the Binance or OART platform. So it will be have fun. But my prediction, if this not happen in the GTA 6, maybe in the GTA 7.
Yeah, but it will be in 20 years.
Yeah, 20 years.
I hope we would have already made it in the crypto world
Yeah,
before
I hope
GTA 7.
I hope Sam too. If not, to get hold the games maybe in one of their features. I think it still
Well,
be have massive impact to the space.
do you know G Market?
The market, I
Yes.
heard.
Okay. Before the whole run about ordinals and the meme NFTs, like these guys were first in NFT volume and NFT transactions, and basically what they allow you to do is to sell and buy Counter-Strike Go and Counter-Strike 2 skins. There is also
Okay.
other games like Dota 2, Team Fortress 2, Blancos, and people can like trade the skin they earn in-game. So this is an example of old game being powered by new crypto product. This is super interesting. Like it's been a while I didn't play Counter-Strike, because now I have a Mac and I don't have a computer, so it's tough to play. But when I remember like me playing Counter Strike and spending like 14 hours per day just to do some war with them, some random on MIRC, sorry.
Yeah.
Like this is a super good opportunity for the new generations to make
Yeah.
money and to value their skills in game.
Yeah, I think that will be one of that I say maybe in the future like you know in the GTA 6 a lot of part, a lot of equipment, a lot of cars, hosts,
Yeah.
anything can be turned to money. So I think it will be a good idea if that happen on that. But back again to the topic.
Yeah.
Talk about the NFTs and the airdrop. This two distinct aspects in the blockchain space. How does
Yep.
your platform manage to combine both in a single platform while providing relevant and accurate information for the user interested and or either or both?
Okay. First, I would have answered differently like a few weeks ago. But NFTs and airdrop can go together. And Mimland showed us that Grape, the NFT project, is showing us that there are more and more NFT projects like doing airdrops. Now, at the beginning, it wasn't the case. So the way we saw it was we are looking for upcoming NFT mints that were cheap or free, and that could be interesting for our community. So we had like two sections in our opportunities: NFT opportunities and airdrop opportunities. And if people were interested only in airdrop, that's fine. They can go on the airdrop opportunities, do the steps they want to do the tasks they want to do, and that's all. But if they are looking for more, they can go to the NFT section and look for the different NFT opportunities. So that's how we did so far to differentiate, to have two, both NFTs and airdrop on the same platform. But as I said, right now, like NFTs are more and more into airdrop. So that's an interesting development, I would say, for the airdrop game. And just to give you some projects that are doing that, there is FOMO. I don't know if you heard about it. It's an NFT collection building a game. And basically, right now, you can get a whitelist for the project. And if you have an NFT, you will be eligible for a FOMO airdrop. There is also Overworld. Overworld is also an NFT collection trying to launch a game. There will be an NFT mint. And their Sesame campaign is live right now. It's on the Linity platform. You can check it. And basically, if you manage to get a whitelist and you manage to buy the NFT, there will be a token airdrop related to that NFT and that game. So I guess more and more projects will try to do that. There is also the Bake, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, who did that. So it's a meta that shouldn't be overlooked, I think.
Okay. Thank you for answering my question, Lizzie. And talk
You're
about
welcome.
the user, about the Linity platform. You are big right now, but I think you still want to attract more user. And how do you want to attract more user, and what's your strategy?
Definitely. Okay. I would say first we rely on the different questing platforms. So we do some campaign with them. We try to attract users from there because we are kind of looking also for farmers, and those people on those questing platforms are farmers. We also try to do natural, I would say, organic, growth. So how, for example, we post threads, we post on Twitter every day, we do Twitter spaces on our own, we invite guests. Third will be via partnership. So we discuss with influencers like you, we discuss with projects, and we try to create some interesting stuff with them. That will be the way we try to build. We also have a Reddit account. So I started to work on it a few days ago, but right now it wasn't a good success for me. Like my posts were strike all the time, and I can't understand why. So I'm currently working on that. And yeah, I would say that's the way we try to build our user base.
Okay, so that's your activity to reach more user base on your platform. I hope it will be success. And Lizzie, before we end this space, because we almost 1 hour talk, I want to ask you about some in the market right now, Ethereum is to $2,000. I want hear your opinion about in this year, in the rest of year, about the market, and do you think any surprise again will become, like big airdrop or big retro will be happen during this year, because we close to December?
Yes, that's true. The year happened so fast. Okay, when it comes to airdrop, I think that the closest one that we will see is the layer 0 airdrop. I don't know if it's too late. I don't know if you guys should stop doing tasks or should continue. To be honest, since the team until the team make an announcement, you should continue doing your stuff. But there was a lot of hints that the airdrop was closed. So my bet on the next airdrop is the layer 0 airdrop. When it comes to the market in general, the best advice I could give, I think, is don't FOMO. It's not because we earn some percentage on the market that you guys should change your plan or stop acting like you were acting during the bear market. Meaning, for example, doing your DCA, buying little by little. Like, keep your plan straight. And if you don't have one, establish one. Establish when you should buy and when you should sell. If you're buying asset and if you're investing, avoid trading, avoid day trading, etc. Some people can be good at that, and that's nice for them. But most people will lose money because of that. And for the end of the year, I hope that we will continue this trend of growth. We are waiting for some big news in the cryptoverse, mainly like from the ETF side. We're waiting for the Bitcoin ETF from the big US funds. We're waiting for the news from the ETH ETF. So that should be some good catalyst. Halving is coming next year. So I would say keep your plan straight and be careful when you're investing.
Okay,
and keep doing your activities also.
Yeah. So that's your word for the end of our space. Thank you, Lazy,
Thank you very
for
much. It was awesome.
for reminder us about the strategy of playing this crypto for the trading for the airdrop. And it's very good conversation with you today.
Definitely, I enjoyed it. It was super nice, super interesting. So let me know when you want to do that again.
Sure, my pleasure. We can schedule it. Maybe we can add on another guest.
Okay,
So it will be more interactive, right?
Yep, and I will let you know if I come to Bandung.
Yeah, sure. I will. I will add you. I will follow you if you go to the Bandung.
Okay, top.
Okay. Thank you, Lizzie, for your time.
Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice morning for you. No.
Yeah. No, it's night here.
Okay. Have a nice night. Sleep well, fam.
Yeah.
And don't FOMO.
Okay. My pleasure. Have a good day too. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. See ya.
This space was downloaded via spacesdown.com. Visit to download your spaces today.